Hi, today I'm part of VIVO IQOO U5X and I'll show you how to change fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So just to change the fingerprint sensor animation, we should open first the settings, then tap to security section and tap to fingerprint. So then just enter your unlock method, click to animation style and switch your current style to one from the available styles, the another one. Then just click to apply button and that's it. So let's just check the new animation style of our fingerprint sensor. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.